Yan nga, yung thoughts mo lang na sharing that moment, yung special moment with yung wedding nila.
You know, I have nothing to say na talagang ang ano ko lang, masabi ko lang talaga is I was really happy for Z, no, for Sanjo, kasi we've been really waiting for that moment, no, to share that moment with him. Sobrang masaya ako. And yun nga, napaiyak na ako sa speech ko eh. Pero sa sarili kong kasal, hindi ako napaiyak. So anyway, I was just, sobrang happy lang ako. Kasi he made you know, parang perfect timing. Kumbaga talagang sa kanya yung perfect na kasabihan na yung tamang panahon. Diba? Sa tamang panahon. Rhea is the best partner, and the family of Rhea really loves him so much. And yun, masaya lang ako dahil nakahanap siya ng ganun, ng pamilya na magmamahal sa kanya, and at the same time si Rhea na talagang nandyan for him ever since naman. So they were really good friends ever since. So I'm just really happy, and happy rin ako dahil na-witness ko, diba, yung special day niya na matagal na namin pinagkakwentuhan ever since. So yun.
Ano yung mga naging message mo sa kanila?
Ako, I've been telling him na, you know, sa ganitong chapter ng buhay na talagang lagi ko siya binibigyan ng advice na mag-iiba talaga. You know, you've been bachelor for the past how many years? For 40 years, diba? But having a family is different now. So yun ang lagi sinasabi ko. Your priorities will be different. Siyempre, nandun pa rin yung trabaho. Siyempre, hindi kailangan mo wala for the family. But the priorities, you know, lagi mo na isipin, pamilya muna, bago lang. So, he's very excited. You know, he was very happy. So, yun na talagang nangyari. So, yun. Siyempre, masaya siya. Masaya rin ako. Yeah, brother.
Thank you.